Imagine running a restaurant. You're juggling orders, managing staff, and trying to keep track of your finances. It's a lot to handle, right? Now, imagine having a tool that could simplify all of that and help you run your restaurant more efficiently and profitably. That's where TouchBistro comes in. Benefit 1. Streamlined order taking and management. One of the biggest challenges for restaurants is managing orders. With TouchBistro, you can take orders quickly and accurately, whether it's dine-in, takeout, or delivery. The system is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, so your staff can get up and running in no time. But it's not just about taking orders. TouchBistro also helps you manage the entire order process, from the kitchen to the bar. You can easily view and track the status of each order, ensuring that food and drinks are prepared and served on time. Benefit 2. Improved inventory management. Keeping track of your inventory can be a time-consuming task. With TouchBistro, you can easily monitor your stock levels and get alerts when items are running low. This helps you avoid stockouts and reduce food waste. You can also use TouchBistro to track your purchasing history and identify trends. This information can help you make better decisions about what to order and when to order it. Benefit 3. Enhanced employee management. Managing your staff can be a challenge, especially if you have a large team. TouchBistro can help you streamline your employee management processes. For example, you can use TouchBistro to create employee schedules, track time and attendance, and manage payroll. You can also use the system to assign tasks and monitor employee performance. Benefit 4. Real-time reporting and analytics. One of the most powerful features of TouchBistro is its reporting and analytics capabilities. With real-time data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions about your business. For example, you can track sales performance, identify peak times, and analyze customer behavior. This information can help you improve your menu, optimize your staffing levels, and increase your profitability. Benefit 5. Increased efficiency and productivity. By automating many of the tasks involved in running a restaurant, TouchBistro can help you increase efficiency and productivity. For example, you can reduce the time it takes to take orders, manage inventory, and process payments. This frees up your staff to focus on providing excellent customer service. So, if you're looking for a way to simplify your restaurant operations and improve your bottom line, TouchBistro is definitely worth considering. With its powerful features and easy-to-use interface, TouchBistro can help you streamline your business and take it to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.